I want to break down something that I think would really help you understand about your weight gain better today. A nutritionist explained that there are actually 4 different reasons why people gain weight. And once you know which one could be causing your weight gain, and it will become much easier to fix. So let's go through them one by one. The first reason is genetic related weight gain. So some people naturally feel like they don't get full easily, they can keep eating without realizing, and they tend to prefer richer and heavier foods. And this is not just about discipline. There's actually a hormone involved called leptin, which is actually your body's fullness signal. So when you eat, your brain should receive a message that says you're full and it's time to stop. But if leptin is lower or not working efficiently, that signal can become very weak. So what happens is you keep eating and you only realize it after you've already overeaten. So instead of relying on willpower, you want to create that fullness signal earlier. Don't go into meals starving. Add protein and fiber before meals and keep your meals structured. So for my clients, I usually set it up like this. Formula 1 shake with protein drink mix in the morning as part of their breakfast routine, and then active fiber complex before meals. So you mix it with hot water and you drink it about 15 to 30 minutes before eating your meal. So when the fiber mixes with water, it expands slightly in your tummy. So your body already starts to feel like it has eaten. And that alone can actually help reduce overeating quite a bit. And this is something I see a lot with the women I work with. By the way, if we haven't met before, I'm Jean from Authentic Energy. I have been a Herbalife coach for over 10 years, and most of the time, it's not that people are doing nothing. They're just working against their body without realizing it. The second reason is what I call the always hungry pattern. You eat a full meal, then 1 or 2 hours later, you feel hungry again. And this is usually linked to blood sugar and insulin response. If your meals are high in refined carbs, like white rice, noodles, or processed foods, your blood sugar spikes very quickly, and insulin brings it down just as fast. So it drops too quickly, your body thinks it needs food again, so you end up eating again and again. To fix this, reduce refined carbs, choose better quality carbs, and always combine carbs with protein and fiber. This helps stabilize your blood sugar and it reduces those constant hunger signals. So what I usually recommend is a balanced breakfast with your Formula 1 shake and protein drink mix, and add your herbal tea in the morning or afternoon. This helps stabilize your energy, reduce the crashes, and it lowers your cravings naturally. And just a quick note here, a lot of people are actually a mix of 2 or even 3 of these reasons. So if you're relating to more than one so far, that's completely normal. Now the third reason is emotional eating. This one's not about hunger. It's more like if you're happy, you eat. If you're stressed, you eat. You're bored, you eat. Food becomes that comfort, that reward. It's a way to cope. And if this part isn't addressed, it's very hard to see long-term results. So instead of just focusing on the food, we also need to shift the behavior. Separate food from emotions. Find other ways to release stress. Talk things out instead of holding everything in. There's also a nutrition side to this. If your body is lacking certain nutrients, your mood can actually feel more unstable. So I usually support this with structured meals, including a Herbalife F1 shake, along with multivitamin complex and Herbalife line, the omega-3. This helps support mood balance and makes emotional eating easier to manage. And now, the last reason. This one's especially important for women over 35. You might feel like you didn't change much. You've been doing the same thing, but your body has changed. You notice more belly fat, you notice that your metabolism is slower, your energy is lower as well. This is usually due to hormonal shifts, muscle loss, and the slower metabolism. And when muscle decreases, your body burns fewer calories even at rest. So here, the focus is to maintain muscle and exercise more. And to maintain muscle, your body needs enough protein. A simple check is this. Are you getting at least 30 grams of protein per meal? For many women, especially over the age of 35, aiming closer to 35 to 40 grams actually gives much better results. And most people are nowhere near that. What I recommend is using a Formula 1 shake with protein drink mix as your daily base. You have that in the morning, and add protein snacks if needed, and using Herbalife herbal tea to support metabolism and energy. And of course, adding workouts, especially strength training, will make a big difference. So no matter which reason applies to you, there are a few basics that always matter. Don't skip meals, eat enough protein, reduce refined carbs, choose more whole foods, and stay hydrated. Getting your morning nutrition right is already solving a big part of the problem. So now I'm curious, which reason do you feel like that's applying to you the most? Or maybe a mix of a few? If you're not sure, you can complete my wellness evaluation in the description below, and I can help you map out exactly what will work best for your body and your lifestyle. And as always, if you found this video useful, make sure to like, comment, and share this with someone who needs it. You might also be interested to check out this other video right here. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. And if you're ready to get started, all the coaching options and product links are in the description below. Alright guys, I'll see you in the next video.